Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to group input signal sources on the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor on the web interface. First, go to Input Configuration and click Input Signal Grouping. Click Add, then drag the desired input sources into the group. If you want to remove a signal from the group, simply click on it. An option will appear on the right to delete it. At the bottom right of the group, you can rename it. Let's name this one Group 1. If you need more groups, you can create additional ones the same way. Drag the required signal sources into the new groups and rename them. For example, Group 2 and Group 3. To delete a group, just click the delete icon in the bottom right corner. Once grouping is complete, go to Screen Management. In the input source list, you will now see your signal groups. Select the desired group based on your needs and drag the required signal sources from the group onto the screen group. And that is it. The grouping and application of input sources are now complete. Thanks for your watching.